How to make somebody fall in love with you using psychology.
Number 2, I can't make anybody fall in love with anybody else.
In 1977, Dr. Arthur Aaron conducted a study where he took a man and a woman, two complete strangers, and had them answer 36 questions back and forth to each other, and then do something else that I'll explain later. These people were complete strangers. They got married 6 months later. Questions are divided into 3 sections, and each one gets a little bit more intimate and personal. And I'm going to provide you the questions, but use them wisely. And after the 36th question, there is a little something else you have to do the study completely.